You basically turned a man into a dog.
Correct, Amanda.
We pay it back, the collar stays on. You don't pay it back, the collar comes off.
How did you do that? Like my saint of a mum used to say.
The master commands and the dog obeys!
Get 'em young, the possibilities are endless.
Gentlemen, to the death.
Kill him!
Ay, 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 ay. Sounds like someone in here could use my help. You like pianos? Yeah, me too. Tuning pianos is really hard work. Come on, put your hand here just like that. What's your name? Okay, all right, Mr. No Name. My name is Sam.
Hi. He's cute.
Victoria and I are not big on asking questions.
You take your time.
He likes music.
Cool. You know how to use it? It was my dad's. He died before I was born, and then my mom gave it to me, but she died in a car accident. Am I talking too much? You know, because I do that sometimes.
You all right?
She kissed me.
Yeah, I know. She does that.
My name is Danny.
You got family?
Don't know. I don't remember then.
You best got family somewhere.
Look who's come home to his loving Uncle Bob! Give me that hug.
Sometimes I worry about that boy. I've begun to think of you as family.
Don't dwell on the past. Look to the future.